Hey guys, today is mascarpone and cream cheese day, and here I have the mascarpone on a ripe red pear, the regular soft cream cheese on a slice of apple, and here I have the pressed bar of cream cheese, which I made the cream cheese and I pressed it in my tofu mold. And they're all based on the same recipe. They're just different culturing times. The mascarpone, you only culture it for 12 hours. That is really nice. It's very mild compared to the cream cheese. Cream cheese can be cultured for anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. There's a definite difference there. See how nice that is? Okay. The perils of trying to prepare food with one hand. That's good. It's firmer than the unpressed cream cheese. Now Miyoko uses yogurt to culture her cashews. Basically, you puree the cashews until they're very fine in the yogurt. I use buttermilk. I like the flavor of the buttermilk. This is where there's a difference between the buttermilk and the yogurt cultures, because this tastes closer to actual cream cheese. The yogurt makes things a little bit tangy, and like especially there's a little blob of mascarpone left. That is beautiful. I added a little bit of butter to that because that's another thing that Miyoko suggests, that if you want fat in your cheese, to use the refined coconut oil. Well, butter tastes better, and so I add butter to mine if I want to put fat, and it's delicious, way nicer. These are really good cheeses, so and they're super easy. They just take time. That's all. Time and a thorough excuse me, time and a thorough blending. So anyway, let me see now. Yesterday's video will be linked in the description. The playlist will be linked in the description. The recipes will be on my blog and linked in the description. And as always, it looks like YouTube is now disabling the comments on every single video I make. So I'm doing my best to catch it and turn it back on, but they will do it 3 or 4 times. And just when I think they're not going to do it anymore, they do it again. So that's my ongoing problem. So, yeah, that's cream cheese. 3 different kinds of cream cheese. And we will be making cheesecake with some of this cream cheese. You don't have to press it for the cream cheese, but you'll need about 2 cups. So consider that. We won't be making the cheesecake until March. I have enough cheeses to last me through Vegudairy, and then we'll be making some recipes with some of our cheese. See you later, guys. Thanks for watching.